In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view timesheets in Hubstaff. Navigating Hubstaff's timesheets might seem a little daunting at first, but with these simple steps, you'll be on your way to mastering it in no time. Whether you're tracking your own work hours, managing a team's productivity, or auditing for accuracy, viewing timesheets efficiently is crucial. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're signed into your Hubstaff account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the left sidebar of your dashboard. This handy navigation bar is where you'll find the timesheet section. Click on it, and then select View and Edit. This option is your gateway to analyzing time entries, whether they are yours or others you manage. Once you're in the timesheets, you have a couple of different viewing options to choose from. Hubstaff caters to different preferences for how you want to digest your time tracking data. The first option you have is the Daily View. This layout is perfect for those who need a detailed breakdown of time entries for a selected day, or even across a specific date range. It's particularly useful if you're looking at a single day's productivity, or if you want to identify trends over a few days. Next up is the Weekly View. This is my personal favorite for a broader perspective. Here, you can see the total hours tracked for each day of the week, all laid out in one convenient space. It's excellent for quickly checking whether the time spent aligns with expected weekly work hours and to catch any discrepancies at a glance. If you're a visual person, you might prefer the Calendar View, which displays tracked time in a layout you're probably familiar with. A monthly calendar. This format helps in spotting patterns over longer periods and even planning ahead by visualizing past and upcoming projects. Once you've decided on your preferred view, you'll need to utilize the Date Picker. You can select the specific day, week, or month that you want to review. This tool is incredibly intuitive and makes it easy to jump between different time periods. If you have the permissions and need to drill down further, you can utilize optional filters. These include selecting members, projects, or specific tasks. This functionality is especially beneficial for managers who are responsible for multiple team members. Filtering can help hone in on particular areas of interest without being overwhelmed by unnecessary data. After you've set up your view and applied any necessary filters, it's time to review the data. Take a close look at your tracked hours, any manual time entries, and project details. This examination is essential to ensure accuracy and make any necessary adjustments or follow-ups. That's it. The process of viewing timesheets in Hubstaff made simple. Implement these steps and you'll manage your or your team's work hours more effectively. Thanks for watching and happy time tracking.